Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our 72 by 96 Miracle Arch Door today. This door is featured in a Aquatex glass. The color is oil rub bronze. Right now the sun went down, so it got a little dark, and they start looking a little darker as the sun goes down. Different glass types are definitely available. Different colors are definitely available. Colors not in stock are available. All our stocks are available in oil rub bronze. Glass types are definitely available, and swings are definitely available. Different variances in our stock. Amazing door. This is another door that we use a 4-inch tube instead of a 6-inch tube to get you a larger glass. So if we use the 6-inch tube, you would lose 2 inches on that side, or 4 inches over here. This is one of my dad's designs. Super cool door. We've had a lot of success with this in the past. A lot of people unfortunately are copying us, but it is what it is. That's part of the game, I guess. This also is available if you want to make a kick plate. We can add a kick plate to this and shorten the design on this on a custom order. And also this door is available in a single, double, flat top, arch top, and full arch if you like. Or if you want to do side lights also, that's available. Let me flip this around, show you guys the back end of this. Okay, we're on the back side of the Miracle double arch. I'm going to show you guys how the glass opens. Untwist, opens it up, opens up the glass. This makes it easy to clean the glass and clean the scroll work. Optional screens are definitely available on custom orders. And remember, different glass types are available and different colors for the door are available. Colors for custom orders. Glass types, we carry a lot of different glass types in stock ready to go. But I wanted to show you guys how the back end looks on this. And also remember, at nighttime when you turn the lights on, the scroll work glows through the glass. Super cool when you're standing outside and you see the scroll work come out. Hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can reach us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.